Hello everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. And in this video you will see how to crochet my cute 6-petal flower. Let's crochet the cute flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once I have done 6 chains, and join the chain in the round by making slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. For this, make a chain. I will not use it. And make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, I am removing a long piece of yarn. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once I have done 12 single crochet into the ring, to complete this round, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch, and let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of petals. Let's crochet the new round. Make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the single crochet, make single crochet, then make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, insert the hook into 2 loops, make single crochet. In total it should be 7 times. 2, chain, 3, chain, 4, chain, 5, chain, 6, chain, 7. Here what I have at this point. I continue working on my petal. Let's crochet the first petal. Make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger, so I have got unfinished petal. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, like this. Then make a chain, pull it. My petal is almost ready, I just need to continue. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, then single crochet through the next stitch, and single crochet into the next stitch. Then I continue with the second petal. Let's stop and look, my cute first petal is ready. This is the back side and this is front. If you didn't turn the work after the ring, so you will get this side on the front. You can choose by yourself. So in my case, I would like to get this look at front side. So in my case, it is going to be the front side. And I'm working on the back side of the flower. Continue. Make a chain. And make 7 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here what I have. Continue. Then make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here what I have at this point. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain, pull it, insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, then single crochet through the next stitch, and single crochet through the next stitch, and make a chain, and single crochet, chain, and single crochet, and so on, and you will get the third petal. Let's stop and look what I have done. This is the back side of the work, and let's look at the front. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm done 2, you should crochet 4 more. I am done all 6 petals. I'm working on the back side of the project. Once I have done the last single crochet, there is the single crochet that I did on the beginning. Insert the hook to the stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through by making a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I already cut off my yarn. This is the back side of the work. You have to remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. Let's turn the work. This is the front side of the project. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my cute project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends. You can use it like a decoration for any big projects, or it could be part of a separate motif, or for gift. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time, and good luck in crocheting. Bye!